Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to another deep dive into the future of innovation. Today we're talking about something mind-blowing, the advancements in AI, automation, and how they're shaping our world. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Artificial intelligence has evolved beyond our imagination. From chatbots that sound human to robots that can perform surgeries, AI is taking over tasks once thought impossible. But with great power comes great responsibility. Are we truly ready for an AI-driven world? Developers and scientists are working tirelessly to refine AI, making it more intuitive and reliable. AI is now capable of recognizing emotions, learning from mistakes, and even adapting to new environments in real time. But is this progress moving too fast for our own good? Automation is replacing traditional jobs at an unprecedented rate. Factories are now run by robots, deliveries are handled by drones, and customer service? Well, chatbots got that covered. But where does that leave the human workforce? Are we heading towards a job crisis or a golden age of efficiency? At its core, artificial intelligence seeks to replicate human intelligence. This ambitious goal involves creating systems that can think, learn, and adapt in ways that are strikingly similar to the human mind. This involves developing algorithms that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human cognitive abilities. These tasks range from simple ones like recognizing patterns to more complex ones like making decisions based on data. One of the most powerful branches of AI is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. Machine learning algorithms empower computers to learn from data without explicit programming. This means that instead of being programmed with specific instructions, these systems can improve their performance by analyzing data and identifying patterns. They analyze vast data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions, constantly improving their accuracy over time. This ability to learn and adapt makes machine learning incredibly powerful and versatile. For instance, in the field of image recognition, AI systems trained on millions of images can now identify objects, faces, and even emotions with remarkable precision. This has opened up new possibilities in various industries. This technology is being used in self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, and medical imaging analysis. In self-driving cars, AI helps navigate roads and avoid obstacles, while in healthcare, it assists in diagnosing diseases from medical images. Natural language processing, another subset of AI, enables machines to understand and interact with human language. This involves not just recognizing words, but also understanding context, sentiment, and intent. This breakthrough has led to the development of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, as well as sophisticated chatbots that can engage in human-like conversations. These systems are now integral parts of our daily lives, helping us with tasks, answering questions, and even providing companionship. The rise of automation, fueled by AI, is transforming the labor market in unprecedented ways. This transformation is not just a minor shift, it's a seismic change that is reshaping industries and redefining the nature of work itself. From manufacturing floors to corporate offices, the impact of AI and automation is being felt across the board. As machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks once thought to be exclusive to humans, the boundaries of what is possible are being pushed further every day. These advancements are not limited to physical tasks. AI is also taking over cognitive functions, analyzing data, making decisions, and even interacting with customers. Concerns about job displacement are mounting. Workers across various sectors are feeling the pressure as they see their roles being automated. The fear of becoming obsolete is real, and it is causing anxiety and uncertainty among the workforce. Routine and repetitive tasks, such as data entry, assembly line work, and even some aspects of customer service, are being automated at a rapid pace. These are tasks that were once the backbone of many jobs, providing steady employment for millions. The speed at which these changes are happening is unprecedented. Factories are becoming more efficient, production lines are faster, and customer service is becoming more streamlined. However, this rapid pace of automation is also leading to significant job losses in certain sectors. This shift is leading to job losses in certain sectors, raising concerns about unemployment and economic inequality. The gap between those who have the skills to thrive in an automated world and those who do not is widening, creating a divide that is difficult to bridge. However, it's also important to recognize that automation is creating new opportunities. New industries are emerging, and with them, new types of jobs that require different skill sets. The challenge lies in preparing the workforce to take on these new roles. As machines take over mundane and repetitive tasks, human workers are free to focus on more creative, strategic, and complex roles that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. These are areas where humans excel and where machines still have limitations. The key to navigating this transition lies in education and upskilling. Continuous learning and adaptability are crucial in this new landscape. Workers need to be equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to stay relevant and competitive. By equipping workers with the skills and knowledge needed for the jobs of the future, we can create a more resilient workforce. This involves not just technical skills, but also soft skills like communication, teamwork, and adaptability. We can mitigate the negative impacts of automation and harness its potential to create a more prosperous and equitable society. By embracing change and focusing on continuous improvement, we can ensure that the future of work is bright for everyone. The transformative potential of AI extends far beyond the realm of work. It has the power to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop personalized treatments, diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, and accelerate drug discovery. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, genetic data, and patient records to identify patterns and assist doctors in making more informed decisions. Smart cities are leveraging AI to optimize traffic flow, reduce energy consumption, and improve public safety. By analyzing data from sensors, cameras, and other sources, AI algorithms can predict and prevent traffic congestion, identify areas where energy efficiency can be improved, and even detect potential crime hotspots. Section 5. The Moral Compass of Intelligence. As we endow machines with increasing intelligence and autonomy, ethical considerations become paramount. The decisions we make today will shape the future of AI and its role in our society. It's not just about creating smart machines, but about ensuring these machines act in ways that are beneficial and fair to all. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, in a manner that aligns with human values and serves the greater good. This means involving ethicists, sociologists, and diverse communities in the development process to foresee and mitigate potential harms. One of the key ethical dilemmas surrounding AI is the potential for bias. Bias in AI can lead to unfair treatment of individuals based on race, gender, or other characteristics, which can have serious consequences in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. AI algorithms are trained on massive data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing societal biases, the resulting AI systems may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This is why it's essential to use diverse and representative data and to continuously monitor AI systems for biased outcomes. For example, an AI-powered hiring system trained on data that reflects gender bias in a particular industry may unfairly disadvantage female applicants. This can lead to a lack of diversity in the workplace and perpetuate existing inequalities. Another concern is the potential for job displacement and economic inequality, as discussed earlier. As AI and automation technologies advance, they have the potential to replace many jobs, particularly those involving routine tasks. As automation accelerates, it's essential to consider the societal implications and develop strategies to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly. This includes investing in education and training programs to help workers transition to new roles and creating policies that support economic fairness and inclusion. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to human relevance, we should strive to create a future where humans and machines work together in a symbiotic relationship. AI has the potential to augment human capabilities, enhance our productivity, and unlock new frontiers of creativity and innovation. For instance, in the field of design, AI-powered tools can assist architects and engineers in creating more efficient and sustainable buildings. By analyzing data on building materials, energy consumption, and environmental factors, AI algorithms can generate design options that meet specific performance criteria. In education, AI can personalize the learning experience for each student. Adaptive learning platforms can assess students' strengths and weaknesses, provide personalized content and feedback, and adjust the pace of learning to optimize engagement and knowledge retention. The rapid pace of AI development makes it challenging to predict the future with certainty. However, several emerging trends offer a glimpse into the transformative potential of this technology. One such trend is the rise of artificial general intelligence, also known as strong AI. Unlike narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks, AGI aims to create machines with human-level cognitive abilities, capable of understanding, learning, and solving problems across a wide range of domains. Another exciting frontier is the intersection of AI and other transformative technologies, such as quantum computing and nanotechnology. Quantum computing has the potential to exponentially increase the processing power available to AI algorithms, while nanotechnology could enable the development of miniature AI-powered devices with unprecedented capabilities. As we venture further into the age of AI, we must proceed with both excitement and caution. The choices we make today will shape the future of this technology and its impact on humanity. It's crucial to foster a global dialogue on the ethical implications of AI and develop guidelines and regulations that ensure its responsible development and deployment. We must prioritize human well-being, fairness, and transparency in all aspects of AI development and use. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a story that we are writing together through our research, innovation, and the choices we make. By embracing a human-centered approach to AI development, we can harness its transformative power to create a brighter future for all. The AI revolution is not a distant event. It's unfolding around us right now. It's transforming our world in profound ways, presenting both unprecedented opportunities and complex challenges. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential to engage in open and informed discussions about the future of AI. We must consider its potential benefits and risks, its ethical implications, and its impact on society as a whole. What role do you envision AI playing in your life, your community, and the world at large? Share your thoughts, concerns, and aspirations. The future of AI is a collective endeavor, and your voice matters.